In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call someone in Slack. Calling in Slack is a great way to move a conversation from typing to talking, especially when you need quick alignment or want to walk through something together. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start a call using Slack's Huddles feature and how to turn that call into a video chat or screen share so you can collaborate more effectively. First, open Slack and go to the place where you want to talk. This can be a direct message with a single person, a group message, or any channel that you're part of. Think of it just like choosing the room where the conversation should happen. If you're planning a one-on-one discussion, open that person's direct message. If the topic involves a team, open the relevant channel so everyone there can see that a call is happening and join if they need to. Once you're in the right conversation, it's time to start the huddle. On desktop, look for the small headphones icon. You'll usually find it in the conversation header at the top or in the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Click that headphones icon to start a huddle. When you do this, Slack will begin an audio session tied to that specific direct message or channel. Other people in that conversation will see that a huddle is active and can join with a single click. This makes it really easy to spin up quick, informal calls without needing to schedule a meeting. After you're in the huddle, you can upgrade it from a simple audio call to something more visual. If you want to turn on your camera, look for the camera icon in the huddle controls and click it. Your video will start, and others can choose to turn on theirs as well. This is helpful when you need face-to-face communication or want to read people's reactions. If you need to present something, like a document, a design, or a dashboard, use screen sharing. In the huddle controls, open the three dots menu, then choose the option to share your screen. You'll be able to pick which screen or window to share, depending on your setup. While you're sharing, talk through what's on your screen so others can easily follow along. And that's it. By opening the right conversation, starting a huddle, and then adding video or screen sharing when needed, you can quickly and efficiently call someone in Slack and make your collaboration smoother.